Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on sound. Now let's scroll down, tap on advanced and then scroll down. As you can see right here, we've got a whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is those, let's say, first options, but also for the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone for the first SIM card. And as you can see, here we've been immediately transferred actually to the list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of this list we've got the option none, and after picking it your device will simply not use the sound feedback whilst an incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list we've got add ringtone options. So after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files, for example downloaded. As you can see, you can open the downloads here, and if you will have any compatible files, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it. You can check all of them in order to find the best one. And if you are happy with your choice, so for example, let's pretend that I like this Atria, make sure that the option like use is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that the ringtone has been applied, and from now on your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.